Okay, good morning. It's Nancy in Bovine. I just I don't have my glasses on. I'm not sure what I'm getting. Oh, we got our colorful big boy again. I wonder if they ever paint these, do you think? There's that boobs one. I've seen that one before. So I was sitting here close to 2 hours. I did not mind it at all. I get a lot of good thinking done and plans made when I'm waiting for the train. I even say some prayers. And here comes the plow bursting through the trees. Oh, really exciting because I've been wanting to get the plow. So I jump out, start filming. He goes by, it's all good. Then I see I hadn't turned it on. I hadn't turned record on. Oh my God. I got some good pictures of him way down there, but it's not the same, you know, as getting the whole plow. How often do you do that? So anyhow, it's going to be a good day. I'm going to go up to Herman later. I'm going to forget about going to work and just do train stuff. Thanks to all my new subscribers. I'm surprised at how many I'm getting. I know I'm in a unique area here. It's not my video qualities, I know. But I do appreciate y'all. Thank you for your comments. It's fun talking to train people. I love train talk. I love watching your videos also. Pretty soon he'll be coming to the bovine fiber yard. So I think I'm going to go ahead and stop this now. And catch him down in Lawrence. See you in a bit.